Good morning. Welcome you all to our EduGuru channel for daily current affairs. Welcome back to EduGuru Daily Current Affairs. In today's session, we will discuss daily MCQ quiz, cabinet ministers and their portfolio and consistency. Let's start with quiz. Who among the following won the 2020 Pulitzer Prize? Answer: all above. Channi Anand, Yashinder, Mukhtar Khan. In May 2020, which state has launched an online portal for home delivery of liquor? Answer: Chhattisgarh government. Chhattisgarh government launched home delivery to liquor, the zones of green. Who has been nominated by the US President Donald Trump to federal court in New York? Sarita Komat Reddy. She appointed as federal court justice in New York by US President Donald Trump. Which of the following operations have been launched by the Indian Navy as a part of national effort to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas? Operation Samudra Setu. The ships participated in this: INS Jalashwa and INS Magar. Which of the following has launched Garud, government authorization for relief using drones? Answer: Civil Aviation Ministry and Directorate General of Civil Aviation. Both launched Garud portal. The CM of which state has launched Ayush Kavach COVID app? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh CM launched Ayush Kavach COVID-19 app. The president of which country has honored North Korean leader Kim Jong-un with a commemorative World War II medal to mark the 75th anniversary of victory over Nazi Germany? Russia. What is the theme of World Hand Hygiene Day 2020? Save lives, clean your hand. We observed World Hand Hygiene Day on 5th May 2020. Every year, 5th May. Who has been appointed as director on the Central Board of RBI by the government in May 2020? Tarun Bajaj. The Indian Institute of Technology Alumni Council has launched India's first COVID-19 test bus in which city? It is launched in Mumbai. Srikanth Madhav Vaidya has been appointed as the new chairman of which public sector unit? Is appointed for Indian Oil Corporation. International Day of Midwife observed annually. It is observed annually on 5th May. Who is the head of the IRDAI panel on drafting standard professional indemnity policy for insurance intermediaries? Answer: Yagnapriya Bharat. Who has been appointed as MD and CEO of Max Bupa Health Insurance? Krishnan Ramachandran. NABARD has disbursed dash crore to state cooperative banks and regional rural banks across the country to augment their resources for extending credit to the farmers. Answer: 12,767 crore to state cooperative banks and RRBs for lending. That's all for today's current affairs. Let's move to static GK. Cabinet Ministers of India. Cabinet Minister portfolio and their constituency. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. He is Ministry of Human Resource Development, constituency Haridwar, Uttarakhand. Smriti Zubin Irani, Ministry of Women and Child Development, Ministry of Textiles, constituency Amethi, Uttar Pradesh. Harshvardhan, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Earth Sciences, constituency Chandni Chowk, Delhi. Prahlad Joshi, Ministry of Parliament Affairs, Ministry of Coal and Mines, constituency Dharwad, Karnataka. That's all for today's current affairs and static GK. Thank you. Jai Hind. If you like this channel, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Please like, share, comment and subscribe EduGuru channel. Thank you all. Jai Hind.